If you ask, where is Swat Valley located? Swat Valley, known as the Switzerland of Pakistan, is one of the most beautiful, spectacular tourist destinations in Pakistan, in the northmost province of KP, bordering Gilgit-Baltistan. If you want to enjoy lush green valleys and touring rocky mountains with stunning snowy peaks, then Swat is the place where you will find all these dreamy landscapes. Lush pasture covered with evergreen forests, snow-capped rocky mountains and valleys welcome tourists every year. In summer, the flowers around the lakes and in the valleys welcome you with the scent of wildflowers. The serenity of nature will refresh and cleanse your soul. How to get there in Swat Valley? If you are in Islamabad, this valley is located about 250 km north of Islamabad, and it can take 3 to 4 hours to reach the main city and administrative center of Swat Valley, known as Mingawara city. Once you reach Mingawara, you can go in a different direction to enjoy the beauty of the valley. Some tourist spots are not far away, but some are somehow far but not hundreds of kilometers away. All the tourist spots can be covered in round trip from Mingawara city. Which is the best place to visit in Swat Valley? We will say that if we count the tourist attraction of the valley, it will be difficult to finish in here in a one vlog. The valley is blessed with amazing beauty of nature that you will feel charm everywhere. The majestic beauty of the ski resort, of the mesmerizing beauty of the pasture. You will be amazed by the tourist attraction of the valley. But for convenience, we are going to list the top places so that you can choose these places according to your mood and choice of tourist destination. The Swat Valley is a vast region with lush green mountains, as well as picturesque rivers and many archaeological sites. Getting back to ancient paganism, where there are different kings of each region, whose statues and reigns are scattered around. Apart from local tourists, foreign tourists also come in a large number to see the stupa of Barikot Amlukdara, the famous stupa of Shingardar and the reign of Old Bazira. There are many shopping markets in Swat, including Barikot, Mina Bazaar, China Market, Mingawara, as also where shopper can shop. Barikot Mina Bazaar is a famous market in Swat where all the necessity of life are available. If you want to see tall mountains and snow-covered valleys, you can visit Malamjappa, Kalam, Gabinjappa, Malgazar and Chil also. The people of Swat are very hospitable and friendly, who are always ready to welcome you. At the end of my vlog, I want to ask you to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.
खांदी रात यार दल रे यार पर इंतजार दिल रे ना मेरा